One more student, K. Sai Prakash from 6th standard. He explains an English lesson. Let's welcome him. Good morning, everyone. This is Sai Prakash. Good morning, everyone. This is Sai Prakash studying in 6th standard. First of all, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Today, I want to explain the English lesson. The lesson name is Terror Reward. Once upon a time, a young woodcutter named Taro living with his old parents in forest. One day, Taro and his parents sit in a corner of the hut. Suddenly, a big wind blew. Taro's parents shivered. Taro's father thought, "I want a horse just like Zack, but there is no money with Taro." Taro thought definitely to buy the sack for his father. So he worked hard before then he. In the next morning, Tara wake up early and went to forest to cut the trees. Till cut the trees up to afternoon. He felt thirsty. Suddenly a big wind blew. Suddenly he heard a sound. Water flowing. He stopped to cutting and went to forest to cut. Searched for that sound. He saw a small waterfall, gone there and drank. It was a surprise. It wasn't sack, not water. He filled a pitcher and gone to home. He gave to his father. The next morning, a neighbor came to visit their home. He served her politely with sack, but there is no sack. Tara explained that story of magical waterfall. After she spread that story to all villagers. After all the villagers went to waterfall and filled their pitchers. One of the villagers drank it. He shouted angrily, "It was not what sack, it was an water." They searched for Taro. Taro escaped that places. A long time there are gone their places. Taro reached the place and tasted it again. It was an sack only. Then the villagers are shellfish and greedy. That's why the magic waterfall gives only water. The Taro was kindly his parents. That's why magic waterfalls give only sack. Moral: everyone should take care of his parents. That is a big reward. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sai Prakash. You have taught a wonderful lesson in English about Terror River.